are adept at predicting soil recovery processes. They analyze data from various sources, including past rehabilitation efforts, to forecast the soil's ability to support vegetation in the future. This predictive capability ensures that the right measures are taken at the right time, significantly increasing the likelihood of successful land restoration. Moreover, AI extends its utility to the skies with drones. These drones tirelessly monitor the regrowth of vegetation over large and often inaccessible areas. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors, they provide real-time data on the health of the ecosystem, which is crucial for adjusting rehabilitation practices on the fly. AI also plays a pivotal role in data management, ensuring that all activities comply with stringent environmental regulations. Through sophisticated data analysis, AI systems help mining companies maintain transparency with regulatory bodies and the public, fostering a more trustworthy relationship. With AI, the path to environmentally responsible mining becomes clearer and more achievable. AI isn't just about robots and smart gadgets. It's a pivotal tool in reshaping how we approach the environment, especially in industries like mining that have traditionally had a significant ecological footprint. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing mine rehabilitation and closure, ensuring these processes are not only more efficient but also substantially more effective in preserving ecological balance. Recapping the highlights, AI aids in accurately mapping out degraded landscapes, predicting environmental impacts, and offering data-driven strategies to restore these areas. This technology plays a crucial role in monitoring ecosystems, analyzing soil and water samples, and predicting potential hazards, thereby enabling timely interventions. Moreover, AI's predictive analytics help in optimizing the use of resources, significantly cutting down costs associated with mine closure and rehabilitation. By implementing AI-driven solutions, mining companies can ensure that closed mine sites are not just inert plots of land, but rejuvenated spaces that can serve future generations, whether for agriculture, conservation, or community development. As we harness AI's capabilities, we pave the way for a more sustainable and environmentally friendly mining industry.